I know that many of you have travelled from further afield to be here today, which is great. It shows the importance that the South Island places, not just Christchurch, not just Canterbury, but the South Island places on our shared commitment to our relationships with China.
As one of the main sponsors, we are committed to connecting South Island companies to the Chinese market.
There is an awful lot of commentary about the New Zealand-Chinese relationship at the moment, and I don't intend to get into any of the shorter-term issues that are being dealt with. In fact, I think it's quite important that this is a time for business people to stand back a bit and be reminded of the context of that relationship.
I think even if you are living in Christchurch or Auckland, you can still enjoy the benefits of the Chinese development. Now we want to establish a bridge between China and New Zealand, so there's more the good ideas and opportunities in New Zealand can also be brought in China.
I think we can acknowledge enough the resilience of this city when by any global standard it has staged a remarkable recovery, and I hope that now as an affordable city for families and businesses it can really progress and continue to drive the South Island economy.